Guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Just want to give you guys a quick tip on how to fix your Volvo no crank no start if you guys actually have these symptoms. Basically, it's a no crank no start. You're gonna get an Immobilizer C manual message in the little display. It's gonna have a bunch of different messages: low brake fluid, your wipers are going to go on and off. Everything else seems to work, but you're getting multiple messages that have absolutely nothing to do with your no start situation. If you guys come across that, here's the quick fix for you. All right, chances are, particularly if you've gone over a big bump or whatever, or gone over some rough road and you parked it and you try to start it and you guys get those messages, here's the tip. Okay, it's probably your CEM. All right, your CEM is your fuse box. Your fuse box is part of your car's computer, your Volvo's computer. A lot of times it'll be under the passenger side seat, under that area. A lot of times what happens is the plugs are essentially connected to a bunch of sensors, probably all of them. All right, those cables, sometimes they come loose from the socket, sometimes the clips aren't clipped in right, or they're clipped in halfway, or they're clipped in 3/4 of the way and they become loose. So what happens is when they become loose, obviously there's a disconnect, and when there's a disconnect, all those multiple issues are gonna show up. Your car's gonna, tell you, that display is gonna roll out all those multiple messages saying that there's an issue with this, and that's the symptom of it. You get a no crank no start. You get Immobilizer C manual, the brake fluid light, the check engine light, ABS light, all those different messages that come up. You guys have this situation. The fix is pretty simple. All you have to do is to go under the passenger side area. If you guys see, when you guys see the CEM, make sure that the plugs are pushed in. They're not pushed in, just push them in a little bit, and make sure that the clips are tightened all the way, are seated all the way flush. All right, and you're gonna click all those clips in just to make sure that the plug is 100% in the CEM. All right, once you do that, all you have to do after that is start your car back up. If the plugs are plugged in and if the CEM is the issue, then your car will work normally. You shouldn't be getting any of those messages at all, and that should be a pretty quick fix for your no crank no start situation. If that is the issue to your no crank no start issue. But if you guys have any comments, your own experiences with this issue, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, guys, take care.